Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at Dvlt, and you can see this stock over here. It's up today by 55.2%. We need to speak about this. I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions over the course of this video. If it sounds good, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Although I'd like you guys to remember, I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now with that being said, what are we looking for going into the next couple of days? Well, of course, we have seen this meteoric rise today. The question is, where do we go from here? Now into the after hours, we're actually seeing this one drop by 1.44%. And I think really the thing that matters to me on a technical level is where we go from here, where we find our next level of potential support. You can obviously see in the recent period, right, with the stock being up so big, we have been in the overbought range on the RSI around the 26th to the 29th of September. However, now, despite being very high, we are not in the overbought range, suggesting that there could be potentially more room to run. Now this one's going to be very basic for me. It's really about seeing if we can break past levels that stand out. Levels such as 210, levels such as 215, and then levels such as 220. It seems quite basic, but a push above these levels would indicate continued strength in my opinion, and I think that in and of itself would be a very big and important thing to look out for. Now to the downside, we have to speak about this. There is that potential of a drop. You have seen the stock drop recently in the last couple of hours. Zoom out to the 5-day even, and this shows it in a bit more context, right? You have seen this one drop a little bit. However, it does appear to be consolidating quite nicely since the middle part of the day, begging the question as to whether we can continue to find supports in this range. Levels that I'm looking for the downside, I initially may see the stock hit levels such as $2. If you drop below that, it could be $1.90, and if you begin to drop below that, it could be $1.70, $1.78. Now that in itself would also not necessarily be the worst thing in the world, given the context of how much this stock is up. It would kind of make sense to see this one see a little bit of a consolidation, maybe a small push to the downside. I don't think that would necessarily be a bad thing, however it is something that we should potentially prepare for. So these are the levels both to the upside and the downside that I'm paying attention to. I'd love to hear yours down below guys, so let me know in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye for now.